everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look into the Python module named holidays. Basically it gives holidays for any given country. For that we need to, let's start, and for that we need to import the module name holidays. Let's name a variable, let's say country holidays. So for that we need to get the holidays, we need to use the holiday package HOLIDAE. Let's get the holidays for United States year. This is 2025. Sorry, a second. Here's items to get all the items. If you print this, you should get all the holidays for the United States. Yep. So if you want to print this very nicely and sorted way, we can do like this. For a in country holidays, sorted, sorry, a in sorted, and then let's bring this print up. And then print it. Yep. If you want to remove these two, what we can do is a comma b and a little bit space to b. Yep. So if you want in the US we can print the holiday for state as well. So for that what I need to do is let's get the state of this is state state equals to, let's say, and then if we print let's say what is the problem here. STA, sorry, STAT, my bad. Yeah, so this is for this state, these are the holidays. If you want to count how many holidays, we can do the one variable and assign 0, and then we can increase this value by 1 in every thread, and let's print outside the loop, print I. So it will count the number of holidays. So there are 13 holidays. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. If you want to print for other state, like and in this state we have a 14 number of holidays. If you want to do for other countries, let's say Australia, and Australia has a different things. Now the state Australia need to PR province. Let's say for if you leave it default, it will print the holidays for Australia, which is Australia capital, which is Canberra. So let's see. So in the Canberra, there's only 7 holidays, but if you print for different state, let's say we have to do province, let's say Sydney is New South Wales NSW, so it should give you different. So in the Sydney you have 11 holidays in the New South Wales, but if you go for Victoria, I see, so Victoria have 13 holidays, or let's say Northern Territory. So Northern Territory only have 12 days as a holiday, public holiday. Yep, that's all. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.